Hi guys, Rob from Icebox Auto here today. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a AX model, which is an AX2322, which is for the Audi A4 A5. As you can see, nice Android 10.25 touchscreen here. Works fully in conjunction with the original AMI series here. Sorry about, it's very shiny today, very sunny, so obviously a little bit of reflection there, so apologies that you can see me jumper in there. As you can see, that's the original settings there, but this is the Android interface here. Works fully with the steering and controls. I'm just going to keep it short, obviously, because the customer's waiting to get off. But if you've got any questions in regards to this, give us a shout. Thanks a lot, bye.